Hello, it's Paul here. I'm going to give you a really quick introduction to Zoho One today, especially if you're a golf club or a golf pro. This is going to be dedicated and aimed towards you. I see a lot of YouTubers telling me or telling us in videos golf companies or golf clubs need to get into the 21st century when it comes to their tech, how they're interacting with members, how they're doing social media, and all things like that. Zoho One is going to be the answer for you, and I'm going to tell you why. Everything comes down to z1trial.com. You can sign up here for free. You also, at my website, paulnicholson.com, you're going to get free training on everything. So don't watch and think, oh my God, there's too much to learn here, because it is an unbelievable deal. Think, what can it do for our golf club? What can it do for my golf pro shop? Or whatever it might be. And of course, it'll be relevant to you if you do anything other membership site wise. Let's get into it. Zoho One, it's here. Zoho One gives you one suite of more than 40 integrated business and productivity apps for your entire organization. Simply turn on an app to improve the process, then connect multiple apps so different teams can work together to delight customers, manage finance, and work productively. It is an unbelievable deal. So what it is, if you come z1trial.com to sign up, but it will jump in now and I'll show you around and I'll give you some examples of what I would do, right? But let's first talk about pricing, because it all comes down to money, doesn't it, right? Zoho One, if you play annually, is £30 per month, right? Per user. So depending on how many people you need to sign up for this, I think most golf clubs could get away with one user. But obviously it's better if you all get your own user, right? But think of it as £1 a day per employee. But we're going to show you the value of why that's going to be good. If you sign up monthly, there's no contracts or anything. It's £35 a month, right? €35 or $35. Zoho don't seem to care about exchange rates. They just keep the pricing the same. So keep in mind it's £1 a day for what you're about to see, right? And I'm going to walk you through the apps. I think that's going to make me log in there, isn't it? Right, so here's a list of all the apps. They're in alphabetical order here, right? And I'm going to talk you through what you would use it for, right? So analytics, websites, website data, information also in your CRM, your sales, everything you do through your Zoho. It's going to be in analytics, right? Assist, you probably don't use. You can actually remote access somebody else's computer. Probably not relevant for a golf club. Zoho Backstage. This is a full ticketing system where you can hold an event and you can have a page where it will show you, let's say, so-and-so charity day. Buy a ticket, 25 quid. Dinner dance, Christmas dinner dance, £25 a ticket, £50 for two. Extra value ticket. It's a full platform. And then when the event actually starts, people can check in and say, I'm here. And then you can send a notification to everybody in the event, right? Tee off time at 8 a.m. or whatever. Zoho Books, full management of your accounting. This is an accounting platform. You're going to run all your accounts through it. Zoho Campaigns, you can, this is newsletter management. Sending out newsletters, sending out those weekly scores, sending out updates on what's happening in the coming months. It's newsletter management. Quick checkout pages where you can do quickly put up a page and say this is where you can pay for whatever that one-off item is. Zoho Click is if you've got more than a few, if you've got a few users, it's like a messenger app where you can interact with each other and set up inter office communications. You know, think WhatsApp, think Slack. This is what this is. This is an inter-office communication. Connect is internal and external social media. You can actually have like a Facebook style website just for your office staff, just for your internal use. So you can say, what did you get up to do this weekend? Or here's an update on what's coming up, or and it's like a social network. But you can also put all your information documents, like, you know, your frequently asked questions and your brochures for different things, all in one place. And then you can have another one for all your members. You can have a social network for your members, so they can all sign in and you know, post different statuses, join different groups, Join, post different information about upcoming events. Again, think about Zoho Connect is like Facebook, but it's your own Facebook. Contact Manager you're not going to use, but it's exactly what it sounds like. Contact Manager. Creator again. Creator, you can create your own apps. So if you've got somebody who's a little techie savvy, you can maybe create some apps to take the golf scores, take your event result scores, and automatically populate them somewhere where people can see them. So that's really cool. But you may need somebody who's a little bit techie to do that. CRM. Zoho CRM is their flagship app. This is where you're gonna get members' contact information. You're gonna write down information about a member. So next time they walk in, or next time they're coming in for a lesson, you can remember what you've sold them. You can remember what they've bought. You can remember husbands' names, wives' names, kids' names, dogs' names. You can write notes on them. You can say this person's interested in signing up to be a member. I had a quick chat with them. Dog's name's Daisy. I don't know why I said dog's name. Wife's name, husband's name. You're saving all your information on you. This is customer relationship management, sorry. So this is you remembering every single thing. Every interaction, you can add a note. Just told me, got a new job, working at so-and-so. Well, all that sort of information. These are just custom apps. Desk. This is a ticketing system. This is somebody sends you an email and it creates a ticket in the system for you to reply to. So it's what would they? I don't know. Maybe it's a complaint. I booked in, but I had a problem on the tee or something. It's a complaint. This is a ticketing system where people can email, say support at your company, your golf club or something, and it creates a ticket. And you can ticket management. You can basically any errors, any information, anything you need to get back on. I want to tee off time for Tuesday the 25th of February or whatever it is this year, 8 o'clock. Any chance of me getting in? Or I want a golf lesson week on Saturday. Creates a ticket, and you just go through your tickets and clear them out, right? Docs, place obviously keep all your documents. Flow helps you connect to other apps. Forms, you can create forms on your website or a place where people can go. And it might be a survey form. It might be some sign-up form. Sign up for this event. Again, you'd probably use that as I would use Zoho Backstage, but this might be feedback form, comments form. Zoho Inventory, managing your inventory, managing all your stock, everything that you need to track, managing your stock, a full inventory program. Invoice, if you're using Zoho Books, you probably wouldn't use it, but this is being able to send out invoices. Mail, sending out emails. It's going to manage your email for you, right? I don't know how to say more than that. It's going to take over your email if you want it to. Marketing Hub, this is more data analytics in where people click on your website, how they go to places, and real tracking who clicks on what on the newsletter. It's a bit of an analytics tool. Meeting is like a webinar thing. I'm not sure you would use it or not. Motivators, it's like a big gamification for salesmen. Notebook is just a little pin notes that you might keep. Page Sense, again, is website data tracking. Sales IQ, this is live chat on your website. This is a little box that comes up and says, need help, chat now. This is, you see somebody on your website looking at one of your products. It might be a tee-off time, it might be a training course, it might be anything. You can type in, hey, do you need any help with anything? And it'll pop up a little chat box and they can talk to you. And they can do it in any language as well, which is awesome. So that is live stats on your website and interacting with people, talking people, live chat box. Sign. Zoho Sign is e-documents. So when you get somebody who's signing up for a new membership, you send out a Zoho Sign. Connects with Zoho CRM. You can see where and when they've signed up, and you get a digitized e-signature, right? So you get it all document all right there, right? Zoho Sites is your website. You can have a Zoho website, which will be yourself. Z1trial.com is a Zoho website. Social, posting to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Plus, but it's probably dying, right? Instagram. You can post pictures and videos to Instagram, right? All in one place. You do not need to log into Twitter, Facebook. You don't need to be on these platforms anymore. an app will post your content, and it'll show you who's replied to it, commented on it, or wants information. You do not need to log into Twitter and waste your day on Twitter or Facebook if that's what you think you're doing, right? Post to Facebook groups as well now. Sprints is a project management platform. Did I go past Zoho Projects? Oh yeah, Zoho Projects is not there, is it? Project management platform, but Zoho Projects, which I may not just be seeing, it's not there, is it? Zoho. I don't know why it's not there. But Zoho Projects and Zoho Sprints is project management. This is, I've got an event coming up. What do I need to do? I need to organise the food. I need to get the staff sorted. I need to book the tee-off times. I need to get the menus out. I need to get sign-off. I need to get... All these tasks are put in a project management platform, and you can assign different people. This is for you to do. You can assign the social... what you call it, the society owner. You can say, look, this is where we're at. This is what I need from you. I need all the names of your party. Or this is a task for you. I need off you. But you can see it all in one place, right? Zoho subscriptions. Subscription membership management. Here is your annual membership, whatever it is for your golf club. Here's your monthly membership. Here's your junior membership. This is where you're going to manage people paying, automating everything. Click on it, pay your membership. It's due. Subscriptions, Zoho subscriptions. So survey sounds what it is. You can ask people questions and it'll log them all in a survey form. Zoho Vault, managing passwords for everything you log into. Work Drive is a little bit like Google Drive, again, documents. Orchestry, I don't know what it is actually. It's a new app actually. Every time I do one of these videos, I forget what it is, so it can't be that great, but I might be wrong. Write is a word processor. Zoho Sheet is a spreadsheet program, and Zoho Show is a presentation thing. You might want to do presentations and do it live. This is like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and PowerPoint. So I don't want to get too long into all this. I've got other Zoho One information and introductions that you're going to see that's going to give you so much more than you're currently getting. And everything in there that I've just said is £1 a day per user. So I think to start off, you could just do one user and everybody log in as that one user. But I think you're going to get a lot of benefit out of separate users and interacting differently. But, think event management, think membership management, think better communication with members, think better automated processes for taking money, better support. So much information here and so many things to learn. But it is an unbelievable deal. And if you go to z1trial.com, you're going to get a 30-day you're going to get a 30-day trial. I'm logged in, so I can't click on this. You're not going to be asked for credit cards. There is no credit card. The only thing you're going to need to put in is your email address and phone number. And I don't think you'll get phoned because it comes to me and I won't phone you. So you can start a 30-day trial. You can come to my training. I've got full training on my website, the Zoho One Club, full access. Basically, if you sign up with my links, I'll get a little bit of commission for signing you up, and that pays for training. That pays for everybody to be in there. I've also got a forum because the training won't even cover enough, and in the forum, people can ask more questions. And I'm trying. I haven't seen that's a new one. That so you can ask questions. You got questions. You just fire in, and everybody just asks the question. How do I do this? How do I do that? Right. You're going to get full support. You're going to get full support from Zoho, and you're going to get full training from me. But you need to look at Zoho One. You need to see what it can do. I hope this has given you some sort of appetite to go further into it, to give it a trial. I'm here to help. Whatever you need. If you're on YouTube, just leave a comment. If you're in my training, leave a comment. Every button on my website has this help here. You can send me an email there. But I would say dive in. I would say it's a no-brainer. The deal at the moment to get everything on Zoho One for £1 a day is it's insane for the amount of apps. Look at the apps. Look, if I go down here, you're getting all these apps. So all these different things. I don't think they're even all there. Oh, Zoho Bookings is a new app coming out soon as well, which is where you're going to be able to manage your appointments if you're a golf pro. So they're just updating it all the time. I try and keep up with the training. I can't try to keep the training up to date and keep everybody flying, but that can be hard too. But it's such a cool deal. Z1trial.com. Go learn more. There's some videos that'll teach you exactly what's happening, and it'll give you a better insight, maybe even to looking into it. But any questions, you know where I am. Cheers, guys.